Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert folder with arrow moving downward folder symbol in Word. So this is very easy and a simple method to insert. So firstly click on insert, now click on symbol, now more symbols. So one screen will be open, so just font select this one. Click on this drop down and select it. Now need to type this character code. Just type this character code E19C. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So this is very easy and a simple method to insert this folder with arrow moving downward folder symbol in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.